So Ethereum is sitting at 3,817, and we had our first line of resistance at 3,650, which Ethereum went and it broke, and now it has turned into support. Of course, for Ethereum to continue with this journey towards $4,000, it needs to hold 3,650. Then it can go and achieve $4,000. If it is not able to hold on to 3,650, then we are back to our support of 3,300. But in between, we have a psychological support of 3,500 that will actually help us with the overall story. Now, over here, Ethereum is staying as bullish as possible, because if you look at it, it had a drop, but it went and it ate it up. This kind of candle indicates that there is a massive amount of buying pressure in comparison to sellers, where the buyers are fighting and killing all the sellers, and they are trying to push the price up. And the reason it matters is because it is a drop towards 37.35, and it is a drop from 3,840. So it's $100 drop, and in Ethereum's terms, I don't know how much of a percentage it is. Just a second, okay. 100 on a 3,700, that is 2.7%. That's almost a 3%. So we are talking about a coin that has $400 billion market cap. So 3% matters a lot. It got eaten pretty quickly. Right now, what I'm seeing on Ethereum is a pretty bullish structure. I'm not seeing any signs of bearishness. I mean, Ethereum is staying bullish from quite a while now. And as I have mentioned in Bitcoin video, as long as Bitcoin continues to hold into its region, you can watch the Bitcoin video. I don't want to waste your time here. Over there, I've explained that as long as it continues to hold that range, Ethereum and everybody else in the market will have an opportunity to continue with its rally. The rest of the market can only go down. The major and only reason for it to go down will be Bitcoin. If Bitcoin crashes by 15K, then that will happen, and I have explained the scenarios there. If that is not happening, then there is no reason for the Ethereum or any other coin to calm the hell down and start going down, because the overall case scenario of Ethereum, it is more likely for it to go towards 4,000 and then start its journey towards breaking its all-time high of 2021, which is yet to happen. Let's talk about the all-time high of this year. This year we had an all-time high of 4,093 in the March. So we are going to go and break that as our first step, and afterwards we are going to have our overall rally towards 4,500, and that wouldn't be a problem at all, because the moment Ethereum goes above 4,500, we are starting our journey towards 6,000. That will happen, but all this depends on 4,000. On 4,000, we will have a massive rally. Now, this is not a good double bottom. It's a very ugly one, but we can consider it a double bottom. The neckline is on 4,000. If Ethereum breaks this neckline, then it's going to shoot up, and I don't think it will stop at 4,500. The deliverance on it is going to be at least, the first stop from 4,000 would be at least at 5,000, and I would expect Ethereum to go towards $6,000. That's going to be the minimum ask per se, because if you look at Ethereum from the perspective of the cup and handle, which is not a valid structure that we are seeing here. There's so much disturbance in it that has broken the structure. If this hadn't happened, this was a cup and handle, not the best, but pretty much a good one. Then on the basis of this cup and handle, of course, the support is at 3,500. Then on the basis of this, how much up can we go? That's 1,500, that's 3,000, that's 1,500 more. Yeah, that's again from 3,500, 5,400. Yeah, it's $5,000 still. Okay, so the deliverance of $5,000 is pretty much confirmed, but for that, it needs to break $4,000 neckline. then we would expect it to go towards $5,000, and that's the larger story. In short term, it needs to hold 3650 if it wants to go and touch 4,000 and break it. If it is not able to hold on to 3650, then it's 3500. Then the last stop is at 3300. After 3300, we are done with Ethereum journey. Then Ethereum will start tumbling down and we will be looking at prices below 3000. That's too early to get bearish. It's still holding its most bullish support right now. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.